Yo, welcome back to another video, guys. I'm Magic Carman R&B, teaching you how you can magically make any card stick to your thumb, just like this. It's not necessarily really a magic trick, but it can help you in super cool in a bunch of other tricks that are super cool. So what you do is you have the deck in your hand, right, in Mechanic's grip, just like this, and you use your thumb, push the top card off, just like this, and with your thumb, you just want to push in the center of the card, and just the pressure pushing right in the middle of the card will make it stick to your thumb, just like that. One more time. Hold the deck in Mechanic's grip, thumb, push off, and then hold it, and then push in the middle of the deck, and boom. Select any card. Let's see the Ace of Clubs. Pretend you shuffle it into the deck. Boom, boom, boom. And then magically find it, just like this. Oh, you can do that. That's super cool, right? I mean, that's awesome. Hope you enjoyed this video, and leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video.